Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a celestial drama that has been unfolding right in our cosmic backyard. Comet C 2019Y4, better known as Comet ATLAS. This isn't just any old chunk of ice and rock. This comet had astronomers and skygazers alike buzzing with anticipation, and for good reason. It was on a trajectory that promised to deliver one of the most spectacular cometary displays in decades. But, as often happens with these enigmatic visitors from the outer solar system, things took an unexpected turn. So, what exactly is Comet Atlas? Well, it was first discovered on December 28, 2019 by the Atlas Robotic Astronomical Survey System in Hawaii. Hence the name. At the time of its discovery, it was a faint, unassuming object. But its orbit quickly caught the attention of scientists. Why? Because it appeared to be following a similar path to the Great Comet of 1844. That's a significant detail. Comets on similar orbits often share a common origin, suggesting they might be fragments of a much larger, ancient comet that broke apart long ago. This meant Atlas could potentially be a chip off the old block, carrying the same brilliant potential. As Atlas journeyed inward towards the sun, it started to brighten at an astonishing rate. For a while there, it was getting brighter much faster than expected, hinting that it might become visible to the naked eye, even from urban areas, by late April or early May 2020. Imagine that. A brilliant comet gracing our skies, perhaps even competing with the brightest stars. The excitement was palpable. Astronomers were tracking its every move, calculating its brightness, and speculating on its potential for a truly unforgettable show. It was projected to reach magnitude 0 or even negative magnitudes, which would have put it on par with Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky, or even brighter. But then, the universe reminded us of its unpredictable nature. In early April 2020, just as the anticipation was reaching its peak, observations started to show something unusual. The comet's nucleus, the icy heart of the comet, began to fragment. First, two pieces were clearly identified, then more. It was like watching a cosmic puzzle break apart in real time. This fragmentation meant that the comet was effectively falling apart. Instead of a single, brilliant object, we were getting multiple smaller, fainter pieces. This spelled the end for our hopes of a spectacular naked-eye comet. Why did this happen? Comets are essentially dirty snowballs. As they approach the sun, the solar radiation heats their icy surfaces, causing the ice to sublime it, turn directly into gas. This process releases dust and gas, forming the comet's glowing coma and the iconic tail. However, if a comet's nucleus is structurally weak, or if the heating is too rapid and intense, the stresses can cause it to break apart. It's a common fate for many comets, especially those making their first close pass by the sun after eons in the frigid outer solar system. These first-timers haven't been tested by solar heat before, making them more susceptible to disintegration. So, what does this mean for Comet Atlas? Well, by the time it made its closest approach to the sun, or perihelion, on May 31st, 2020, it was a shadow of its former self instead of a majestic beacon. It was a diffuse, fragmented collection of debris, barely visible even with powerful telescopes. The show was effectively canceled, while disappointing for skywatchers. This fragmentation provided an invaluable opportunity for scientists. Observing a comet break apart gives them direct insights into the composition, structure, and stability of these primordial objects. It's like getting a glimpse into the raw building blocks of our solar system. The story of Comet Atlas, despite its less than spectacular ending, teaches us a lot about the nature of comets. They are not static, unchanging objects. They are dynamic. Fragile travelers susceptible to the harsh conditions of space. Each comet has its own unique story influenced by its journey, its composition, and its encounters with our star. And even in fragmentation, there's beauty and scientific value. The dust and gas released from Atlas, even as it broke apart, continued to contribute to the ephemeral beauty of the solar system, perhaps even scattering some of its ancient materials into the inner solar system eventually, settling on planets or moons. The legacy of Comet Atlas isn't about the brilliant display we didn't see, but about the lessons it taught us. It reminded us of the universe's unpredictable grandeur, the scientific value in every observation, and the constant dance of creation and destruction that shapes our cosmos. It also highlights the incredible work of facilities like the Atlas Survey, which continue to discover and track these fascinating objects, helping us to understand our place in the vastness of space. So, while Comet Atlas may not have delivered the naked eye spectacle we hoped for, its journey and ultimate fragmentation left us with a wealth of scientific data and a powerful reminder of the delicate yet dramatic nature of comets. We're always learning, always exploring, and always looking up with wonder. What do you think about Comet Atlas's journey? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this cosmic deep dive, please hit that like button, subscribe for more space adventures, and ring the notification bells so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.